Hey, what's up everybody? You're watching tech.net, and in this video, let's take a look at a quick tip on how to create hyperlinks within the same Word document. Adding hyperlinks to the text in a document can provide easy access to external websites, folders, email addresses, etc. But did you know that you can use hyperlinks to navigate to different parts of the same document? Well, yes, you can. To do this, you will have to do two things. One, create a bookmark of the destination, and two, add a hyperlink to the source path. Simple, right? Let's take a look at this document I have and use this document to add a hyperlink to a different section of the same document. Okay, as you can see here in the first paragraph, I have mentioned click here to check out a reading view in page 3. So my expectation here is to give the reader a flexibility to go to a different section of the same document within just a click of a button. How do we do that is, as we discussed earlier, we have to first create a bookmark of the destination section, which is reading pane of page 3 in our example. So let's go to page 3 and add a bookmark for this section having the heading as reading pane. To create a bookmark, select the text you want to use as a link and click on the bookmark button from the insert tab. Give it a name of your choice and click on add in the right hand side of the window. You're halfway through the process already. Now, go to the place where you want to add the link and click on the link button under insert tab, or you can also just simply right click on the text and select link or hyperlink. In the pop-up window that appears, select place in this document and scroll down till you locate bookmark section. Under bookmarks, you can find the bookmark you just created. So select the bookmark of your choice and click OK. Now, hold Ctrl key on your keyboard while you click on the link that you just created, and you'll automatically jump to the section where you want it to, which is the reading pane of page 3 in our example. If you want to add more such bookmarks, follow the same process again and keep adding as many bookmarks as you need. Using hyperlink is a convenient way to give your readers an instant access to information without searching or scrolling. With this, you are now aware of how to add bookmarks and use them as a hyperlink within the same Word document and quickly access the required information. We hope you learned something new today. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like the video, share and subscribe to our channel for more such contents in the future.